Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 2nd September 2024. The Burman family of Dabur and promoters of Jubilant Group, the Bhartias, are separately closing in on a 40% stake in Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages or HCCB for Rs 10,800 to Rs 12,000 crore. This values Coca-Cola India's wholly owned bottling subsidiary at Rs 27,000 crore to Rs 30,000 crore. Coca-Cola had sounded out a group of Indian business houses and family offices of billionaire promoters to buy into HCCB, an arm it eventually wants to take public to cash in on the bullish domestic capital markets. ICICI Bank plans to acquire its securities affiliate is promoting criticism from some shareholders unhappy with the buyout terms. Questions arise over the Securities and Exchange Board of India's approval process as it waived rules meant to protect minority investors. The merger is currently contested via class action and higher court lawsuits. The Reserve Bank of India is scrutinizing large write-offs of overseas investments by several companies, suspecting these might not be genuine business decisions. Concerns arise as some firms may have used the overseas direct investment route to transfer funds abroad, bypassing regulations. The RBI is ensuring compliance with mandatory audit reports and valuation confirmations to validate the legitimacy of these investments. New overseas investment rules from August 2022 allow automatic write-offs, but recent cases under review are from prior to 2022. The RBI's vigilance aims to uncover potentially fraudulent fund movements. The new micro, small and medium enterprise or MSME credit assessment model based on digital footprints for public sector banks is expected to be launched by the end of March next year. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in the Union Budget for Financial Year 25 proposed that public sector banks develop in-house capabilities to assess MSME for credit, moving away from external assessments. In pursuance of Section 245MA in the Income Tax Act 1961, the Central Board of Direct Taxes notified the E-Dispute Resolution Scheme 2022 or EDRS with the aim to reduce litigation and provide relief to eligible taxpayers. Section 245MA of the Act also provides for the constitution of dispute resolution committees. IFSCA has notified the IFSCA Listing Regulations 2024. These regulations provide the regulatory framework for the listing of specified securities, debt securities, depository receipts, and other permitted financial products on the recognized stock exchanges in the IFSCs in India. They shall apply to an initial public offer of specified securities by an unlisted entity, the issuance and listing of debt securities by an entity, the secondary listing of securities by an entity, the issuance and listing of depository receipts by an entity, listing of commercial paper or certificate of deposits or other financial products as permitted by the authority. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.